This video puts you through on how to organize your files in Dropbox. So we are going to move the files you have on your page to different folders. Let's get into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. Here, I'll be using Google Chrome for this. Once your web browser opens, visit dropbox.com. You can see the web link here, dropbox.com. I'll press enter. I'm logging automatically in this case, but if you're not logging automatically, please log in with your credentials, alright? And you will find yourself here. The next step is to create a folder that will allow us to organize our files. You can see I have different files scattered around here. Alright, so I want to organize all these my pictures in one place as well as some other files. Alright, so that this all files page will be neat. Okay, so the next step is to click on this new and then select folder, then select folder again. A page like this will open up. Just call it a name of your choice. Let's say my pics in this case, or my pictures. After typing the name here, who will have access only me selected. But if you want to share this folder later, you can change the settings. So here, let's go with only me. Then click on create. And this folder is created, named my pictures, and it opens automatically. So let's start with the file organization. You need to click on all files again. So once you click on all files, you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. You can start selecting the files individually and moving them to the new folder. Alternatively, once you're here and hover your cursor around here, you will see this checkbox. You can click on that. Then only allow the files you want to move to another folder to be checked. So I'll click on this one for it to be unchecked. Click on this, click on this. Okay, this opens is a mistake. So keep on clicking on the boxes you don't want to select for them to be unchecked. I have only the pictures I want to move in a folder checked. Alright, so let's start the movement. So the next step is to click on these three dots here and you will see the move option. Click on it. Sometimes it can be slow, but you need to wait. We have been taken to this page showing us the only folder created here. So look at where I want us to move the pictures to. So I'll click on this and then I'll click on move. So you see that all these pictures I selected will be moved into this new folder. Let's see how it goes. You can see you cannot find any picture here except inside this folder. So if I want to open this folder, I will double click on it and is trying to open the pictures I have inside. As you can see, all the pictures are here. So we have already started with the file organization. So let's go on and organize other types of files. I'll click on all files. All right, we are here. So let's say I want to organize only the documents in this case. So I can create a new folder by clicking on the plus sign, then select folder as well, select this folder. Okay, so let's call this documents. Okay, document files. Then after that, click on create. So once a folder is created, it gets automatically opened. So we are going to go back to all files. Okay, now that I've created this new folder, let me now start selecting the files I want to add inside. I've selected this one. I click on this. I will click on this. Then I'll click on this. I'll click on this checkbox as well. So after checking all the boxes, all right, for the files you want to move, click on the three dots here and select move. All right, so this has shown us the two folders we created on this account. So look at the document files I want to move them into. I'll click on that. Then I'll click on move. So all those document files will be moved into this newly created folder. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and see you next time.